Crystal sugar, such a small little piece of sugar, is about the size of a piece of sand. And a piece of sand or a small rock is about the size of the meteor from the Perseus meteor shower, which is quite amazing when you see the wonderful show that it puts on, that something like this, so small, could be making that beautiful streak across the sky. This is Bright Future Baking, and this is the travel section, but you won't have to travel very far for this. We're going to be going over the Perseus meteor shower. We're going to be making a time-saving brookie, Cosmic Brookie, that you can take with you while you're watching the Perseus meteor shower. We're going to be using a time-saving method, which is the Garibaldi brownie cookie bar, but we're going to be doing our own spin on it. Sometimes you run out of little time, you don't have a lot of time, and you want to go see the beautiful meteor shower. Sometimes we do something like this. This is actually a really good brand, and you just want to follow the directions. So for the brownie part, you have the 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. For the cookie part, you have 1 stick of butter and 1 tablespoon of water. So once that's all mixed up, we're going to mix it all together. And then we're going to go ahead and take a brownie and our cookie, move it off to the side there. And we're going to do a cupcake pan with some liners. And we're going to scoop our brownie in there. So let's get started. Once you go ahead and distribute all the brownies pretty much as equally as you can, you want to take the cookie and you want to divide it, the cookie dough, and divide it into about 12 sections. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. So you just divide it in half and then take it from there and just keep dividing it. And then while we're dividing this in half, we could go and talk about the Perseus meteor shower. Now, you think something that this small would not put on such a wonderful show, but something like this, about this size individually, is traveling about 37 miles per second, which is actually pretty far, which a pretty good speed there. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and just divide it, and then we're going to put it on. Okay, so once we go ahead and divide it, we're just going to roll it into a little ball and just put it right there on our brownie. Now let's go put that in the oven. All right, so our Cosmic Brookies are just cooling, but I wanted to show you this really kind of fun thing that I got at the store. This is a moon punch, and it glows in the dark. You put it in the light for a few minutes. About 5 minutes it says, and it's supposed to glow in the dark. And it also has kind of fun things on here, like fun facts, and also it has the phases of the moon. So when I watch the Perseus meteor shower, I'll be drinking my moon punch. It's just kind of a fun thing for families and kids and various other things. So I'm going to get the Cosmic Brookies, and we're going to get started decorating them. All right, so we have our Cosmic Brookie here. We're going to go ahead and decorate it with blue icing. This is just a reusable cake bag with a tip on it, and we're just going to circle it around like this. Gives it kind of a sky effect. So let's do one more of those, and let me show you that. Okay, so we got our brownie. So we're just going to basically like squeeze, circle around, and release. And once we have that on, we're going to go ahead and put our sprinkles on. It's kind of cool because it has like the stars and like nice silver colors and kind of like cosmic colors. It's called like a fusion sprinkle, which is kind of fun. All right, so that shows you what the sprinkles look like. We'll put sprinkles on the other one. Let me just move this here. And so it's really interesting about the Perseus meteor shower. It's they're not shooting stars. It is space debris, which we were talking about earlier. And it's actually debris that was left from the Swift-Tuttle comet, which travels around the sun every 133 years. So it leaves the debris behind. And around August time, the Earth travels through that area. And we, not the sun, but in the area where the debris is. And we get the wonderful meteor show, which is really pretty to look at. The best places to see the Perseid meteor shower is in the northern hemisphere, away from light pollution or city lights. Go someplace with a buddy. Go someplace safe, though. You're going to want to look northeast. Now, the best time to do this is depends upon the day. July 17th through the 23rd, August 23rd, is when the Perseid meteor shower is in range. It peaks at August 12th to the 13th, but there's a slight problem because on August 9th there is a full moon. So they're saying that one of the better times to go would be like on the 16th, 17th, 18th. The moon will rise later, but you can look at it, try to see it anytime during the 17th of July through August 23rd. And the best time to see it, they said, because it goes from midnight to right before the sun rises, the best time to see it is about an hour before the sunrise comes up. So let me go ahead and show you that the finished product. All right, this is the finished product of our Comic Brookies. And don't forget your moon punch. How fun that will be. I know I'll be enjoying my moon punch with my Comic Brookie. So I want to thank you very much for watching. I really hope you get a chance to see the Perseid meteor shower. Don't forget, it goes from July 17th through August 23rd. And from midnight to like around sunrise. So thank you very much for watching. Watch some of our other videos. I hope you get a chance to like this and subscribe. And let's make the world a better place.